Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Emuna's Learning Point. In this video, we are going to learn about real numbers. Various types of real numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and the irrational numbers. So, in this particular video, we are going to learn about all these numbers. Natural numbers. All the counting numbers are called as the natural numbers. Whole numbers. The numbers along with the counting numbers and a zero is called the whole numbers. Example for the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on will come under the whole numbers. Whereas removing the 0, we will get the whole natural numbers. After this, integers. All the negative integers, 0, and the positive integers are called the integers. Negative numbers, 0, and the positive numbers comes under the integers. Example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on will come under the integers. And next, rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q are called as the rational numbers, where Q should not be equal to 0 and P comma Q must be integers. So, all the rational numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q are called the rational numbers, where Q not equal to 0. And all the non-terminating repeating decimals and terminating decimals can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Hence, they will come under the rational numbers. All the non-terminating decimals will come under the irrational numbers because they cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. Since they cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, they cannot be called as the rational numbers and hence they will come into the category of the irrational numbers. To know about what a terminating decimal, what a non-terminating repeating decimal, and what a non-terminating decimal, let us learn about various forms of the numbers in the number system. Decimal form, fraction form, and the mixed fraction are the various forms of the numbers available in the number system. The numbers of the type 0.5 are called as the decimal forms. Here we will use the decimal, and after the decimal, whatever number we will get, we will read them as 0.512. We should not read them as 502 or 512. We have to read them as 512. And the numbers of the form P by Q, like 2 by 3, 1 by 2, etc., are called as the fractions. And the numbers of the form 3, 1 by 3 are called as the mixed fractions. Mixed fractions can be converted as the fractions like this. We have to cross multiply these 3 and 3. So 3 into 3. After doing the multiplication, we have to just add the 1 to this particular number. And after that, we have to just write the denominator in the same way, 3. After completing of this, we have to calculate it. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 3. And after getting this particular fraction, we can directly convert that into decimal by dividing 10 with 3. In this way, we have to convert mixed fraction to fraction and the fraction to decimal. And coming to the non-terminating repeating decimal, terminating decimal, and non-terminating decimals, these are the types of the decimal numbers. The numbers which can terminate after the decimals are called as the terminating decimals. Example 0.5, which terminates after the decimal point, which terminates after the decimal points. Hence, it is called as a terminating decimal. And non-terminating repeating decimal, the decimals which will continue after the decimal point, but they will stop, they will repeat in a particular pattern. For example, 0.12, 12, 12, like that, it will go on infinitely. Hence, these numbers are called as a non-terminating repeating decimals. Terminating decimals as well as non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted to the fractions in the form of p by q. Hence, they both come under the rational numbers. Whereas non-terminating decimals, the decimals which does not terminates after the decimal point, are called as the non-terminating decimals. Example, 0.123 on so on will come under the category of non-terminating decimals. Since they will not terminate after the decimals, we cannot express them in the form of p by q. Hence, they are called as the irrational numbers. This is the brief about the real numbers. Let us meet with a new video in the next session. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.